You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names from French literature, French novelist, if you want to, and playwright. If you want to learn more names from French literature, make sure to stay tuned. Let's break down the French pronunciation. Jean Genet. Jean, yes, it's not Jean or John or John. Jean. Genet. The T is silent, but it makes the final sound as an E, okay? Jean Genet. Jean Genet is how to pronounce it correctly in French. Jean Genet, you could say in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.